The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Welcome everyone to today's webinar. Get to a new level of employee appreciation with High5. We will begin in just a few minutes. Alcor is pleased to welcome you all to today's webinar. Alcor is a global cloud advisory and implementation services company serving Fortune 500, government agencies, and other leading organizations in multiple industry verticals across the Americas, Canada, India, Great Britain, and Japan. Alcor is an experienced ServiceNow elite partner. We also partner with leading companies and technologies including AWS, Oracle, Microsoft, FireEye, Incorta, 3C Logic, Celonis, OneTrust, and others. We advise leading businesses on cloud platforms, architecture, enterprise service management, and integrating IT service delivery. We also provide business process consulting to capture, re-engineer, and improve processes that can be easily automated to deliver the real value. The Alcor consulting team has excellence in business strategy, cloud technology, and organizational change management. Our ongoing webinar series is designed to inform, enlighten, and start discussions within your own organizations. If you require any additional information after listening to today's webinar, please reach out to us through our website, www.alcortech.com. We also have some time reserved at the end of this webinar for Q&A session, so please feel free to type any questions into the questions section of the webinar dashboard. Today's webinar topic is Get to a New Level of Employee Appreciation with High5, presented by Sushma Aithal. Sushma is a senior manager consulting HR service delivery practice at Alcor Solutions. She is ServiceNow certified system administrator, implementation specialist, ITSM, HR, PPM, HR expertise suite certified. She has over 18 years of experience in IT product and services business with an expertise in program and project management and consulting. I will now turn the webinar over to Sushma. Hi, Sushma.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sushma, and thanks, Anna, for the introduction. I'm very happy to be presenting this webinar on one of our Alcor's HR product, High5. High5 is the fully automated, seamless, and collaborative employee rewards and recognition product built on the ServiceNow platform. So before we go into the details of the High5 product and the product demo, I would like to quickly review Alcor HR capabilities. Enabling people. So enabling people has been Alcor, has been the mission statement for the Alcor HR practice. So Alcor supports their customers to enable their employees to have a greater employee experience, employee engagement, and ways to interact, improve employee interaction between HR and the employees. HR services and offerings. We provide HR digital transformation support, HR process design. Our HR service delivery implementations on ServiceNow platform, as well as integrating ServiceNow with multiple HRIS solutions. Organizational change management, one of the key aspects of digital transformation of any kind, whether it's HR, IT, or any other areas, that has been a key offering from Alcor. We also do managed services and support post-production and go-lives. And Alcor HR product suite, Alcor has released multiple products on ServiceNow platform. They are also available on the ServiceNow store. And we will talk about a few of the Alcor products today with focus on High5. As we are reviewing Alcor capabilities and offerings, I just want to provide a quick peek into one of the HR global transformation that was performed by Alcor. This is a case study with the current client environment being able to support 10 different languages. They used Workday as an HRIS platform, and also was in the process of separation from the parent company. So this was the current client environment, a global pharma company in the animal health space, and the requirements was to integrate, bring all the users into a single user interface, and also integrate with the HRIS solution, and integrate the case management workflow functions and other HR technologies. So also implement an onboarding process solution for them. The solution also comprised of having like an extended function to support the disciplinary and investigation processes in the organization, as well as deploying links to various other HR applications and other IT applications from a single user-friendly platform. The results and benefits included, it transformed the whole user experience globally with relevant information for the end user. Also, with this solution, with this HR solution that was provided, they could support the setup of a global shared services team, and also enabled advanced self-help capability with virtual agent and knowledge management. Moving the focus on the Alcor HR product suite, as I mentioned earlier, Alcor has released a couple of products primarily on the HR space. A few of the products include High5 Reflective, being the performance appraisal application. Talent Run is an end-to-end applicant tracking system. Alcor One is a single HR portal, a single platform for all HR needs. Access Flow is an access management application. So if we look at that overall, a complete solution for all HR and operational needs on a single platform, this would look like an ideal solution where there are these products which kind of enable and enable enhanced applications and functionalities on a single platform, along with the ServiceNow capabilities of the ServiceNow HR capabilities, which is HR case and knowledge management, virtual agent, employee document management. These would be the High5 Talent Run, Access Flow, as well as Alcor One are very good additions to anyone or any organization looking for a complete end-to-end solution. A quick introduction on one of our key products, which is Talent Run. Talent Run is an automated end-to-end candidate tracking system which allows recruiters and candidates to go through the hiring process seamlessly. So it starts with identifying the hiring need. Basically, it covers the end-to-end, the recruitment and the onboarding process. So if you see this here, it starts with identifying the hiring need, then creating a job requisition, completing the entire interview process, establishing a contact with the candidate, in conducting interviews, hiring, and then seamlessly transferring the whole process into onboarding. So that's how smoothly the new employee, the new hire is transitioned into the organization. So Talent Run provides everything that's required to transition an employee into the organization on day one. So it not only provides a stellar candidate experience, it's also a winning recruitment process using the features, very robust features of the ServiceNow platform, which is of, roles and access. This product is able to maintain a very high level of confidentiality and security. I think that's which is like one of the critical requirements of any applicant tracking system. Again, there are a lot of reports that are available as part of this product, which provides right metrics for an informed decision on hiring a candidate. So this product fits in very well with the HR service delivery, onboarding, and transition process, and hence it's a good addition to the existing onboarding process that you may have. There are a few integrations that are enabled on the system that include integration with LinkedIn, integration with, that allows to post the job description directly on the company website. It also has integration with Outlook and easy interview scheduling, and integration with DocuSign is enabled as well. And as mentioned before, Talent Run is also available on the ServiceNow store. This is the initial login screen and initial, landing page. Just a quick sneak peek on Talent Run. This is how it would look. And these are the details on the product being available on the ServiceNow store. All right. So let's move on to the focus of today's session. That's the High5. So as mentioned earlier, High5 is a fully automated, seamless, and collaborative employee rewards and recognition product that's built on the ServiceNow platform. So High5 helps organizations streamline their employee appreciation process and connect all employees on one user-friendly platform, making the process of recognition and appreciation of employees very easy. High5 helps create appreciative workplace culture, improve morale, unite employees with teams, retain employees long-term, and motivate to accomplish more. I think even with the current situation where most of us are working remote, this is a good addition to help motivate the employees, engage employees. This product also helps in engaging the employees, providing like a social platform within the organization. So I would say like it's not only an employee appreciation tool, it is also an employee engagement tool. So, and we'll quickly look at, we'll also like get into the demo where we look at how it's organized to engage the employees, what are the different activities that could be done on this platform. With High5, you can easily show your appreciation for the great work done by your colleagues, co-workers, managers, as well as there is a capability to celebrate their personal milestones like birthdays, work anniversaries, by giving them something called as High5 points. If there is a sponsorship from the organization, these points can convert into tangible rewards. It could be redeemed into like gift rewards, cash certificates, or even the points could be used for charity. The High5 product is built on the platform licenses. Even though it's an HR product, it doesn't really need the HR service delivery licenses to install the product. So if the organization has the platform licenses, the product could be downloaded and installed from the ServiceNow store. So we've created two versions of this product. The first one being the basic. Basic provides most of the key features are available in the basic. It has a landing page. It has like a place where you could select your points. It also has a High5 wallet, which is basically an area where you could go and redeem the points. High5 integrates with an e-commerce platform that allows reward redemption. It's basically a reward redemption store and features more than 180 global vendor gift card options for reward. So it's also location based. So you could have rewards and gift vouchers for depending on the location of the employee. It also includes like cash redemption and including like donation to charities, and all of those features are available. Some of the other features included in the basic version is birthday and work anniversary reminders, email notification when when you're appreciated, when you get the High5 points, you get the email notifications, then donation of points, redemption. We have integrated a lot of reports for not only the HR team, but the team managers and all of that, and cloud work. So we'll be looking at all of these features in some time now. High5 Premium has everything that High5 Basic has, plus a few enhanced features, primarily leveraging the latest version of ServiceNow. So we've added the mobile app, then milestone tracking, campaigns. You could also have like you could also get some psychometric testing, personality testing, some kind of fun quizzes. All of that could be added on this platform. We also have included survey capability, which could send out surveys not only on this specific, not only about High5, it could also be like surveys could be configured on this platform on any topic and could be sent out to the employees. Integrations include PayPal integration, which is primarily used for the cash redemption option. We have integrated with a couple of communication messenger application for communication, Teams, Yammer, Slack. And also integration is available to the social media applications, Facebook, LinkedIn. So it's, the most of these features of integrating with the social media would, would be used for the campaign feature. Say, for example, if a campaign is launched in the company, so if any campaign is launched, you could also, share your campaign details on the social media and probably have like more people joining the campaign. But primarily, it's used for that. And mobile application is, I think, one of the very good features that's been included with the latest version of ServiceNow, New York version. So it's been configured in the premium version of High5. So a quick snapshot of all the screens. We'll be also looking at the demo, the campaign, PayPal integration, the survey options. So all of these, which probably is done in any organization in using different tools, using different applications, all of these, these things that's like part of important HR function, basically employee appreciation and engagement. So all of these can be actually brought together into a single platform. And what's best is it's already, it's on the ServiceNow platform. So any organization which is looking to integrate all of these functions along with their regular HR, case management, and HR onboarding, this product could be a very good addition to their suite of applications that are being used. This is a snapshot of the mobile app, which is part of the High5 Premium, and the word cloud, Slack integration. Some of the snapshots here on how it looks on the mobile app. This again, similar to the other Alcor products we reviewed earlier, like Talent Run. This is also available on the ServiceNow store. You could search with High5. You could also search with Alcor Solutions. There is an option for requesting a free trial, and also like all the details of the version, compatibility, and all of that is mentioned on the ServiceNow store. You could even contact us at alcortech.com to get more details. Okay. So I'll just quickly switch my screen to the demo for the High5 product. Anna, could you confirm if the High5 login page is visible?
Yes, Sushma, it looks great. Yes.
Thank you. So this is the login page of the High5 portal. Again, it's on the ServiceNow platform, and this is how the login screen would look like. So once I log in, this is the landing page for the High5 platform. Again, since it's on ServiceNow, and most of you who've used the ServiceNow platform would know that ServiceNow is configurable. A lot of things on lot of aspects on this landing page could be configured according to the organization's needs. You have the the profile information on the right side. You have like a search bar, and then there is the logo. There are these important widgets that are part of the function, the employee appreciation function. So I'll just cover the landing page here. So this is the initial points widget. So there is an option to select the points, and again, depending on the the organization's appreciation program, the appreciation policy, there could be an initial points that could be given to everyone, maybe during the beginning of the month. So say, for example, beginning of the month, every employee receives 200 points, and they are able to give the High5 points to their colleagues, co-workers, managers, anyone whom they want to appreciate. So here I select 20 points. I could choose my colleague or co-worker's name. Hashtags just enable the appreciation culture in the company. You could configure it with anything that's trending in the company, or anything that you would like to promote in the company using this hashtag feature. So I just select and I write my appreciation comments. There is a feature to add smileys. You could add also pictures, basically everything that would promote appreciation, and then I can give. So the points are deducted. So once we give the points are everything comes on the appreciation platform. So here I see that like a social feed, everything, whoever has been appreciated in the company would get, it would be. So this is the High5 wallet. There are points that I have accumulated over time. So there is there are points that I could redeem. I can also look at the points to give. So picking a reward takes you to the e-commerce platform integration that's been done. So if you can see, like you have 300 points to redeem, and you'll get a list of all the gift vouchers that is enabled in your organization. So again, this is location based. You will get only relevant options based on your location or geography. And again, this is completely optional. The organization may decide on just having the points accumulation, and they could also choose to have that redemption in a different way. But the e-commerce platform allows a very good store of around more than 180 vendors. So it is easily integrated with that, and the employee may go ahead and choose whichever they like. Coming back to the home page, there are these widgets to show High5 stars, the leaderboard, basically, and also some commonly recently used reward options. Any appreciation that is added is also, there are other team members who would add on to the, appreciation. There are also other team members could add comments. They could, give likes, and all of those features are available. Basically, making this as a complete internal social platform for employees to engage. I could look at the High5 wallet again from my rewards section. There is also an option for the team managers to look into, the team members, and also look into the rewards and recognition or the appreciation that has been received from the team members. Analytics page has been built to provide quick reports and dashboards for the HR team, for the managers, and the employee level reports could also be accessed from analytics. So basically here I see that appreciation given, appreciation, how many High5 points have been given so far, and then top hashtags. There's a lot of features for the lot of reports for the HR to look at the people engagement. The leaderboard shows like who's receiving maximum appreciations. And there's a very good feature that we've built here called the word cloud. Word cloud just takes top hashtags and puts everything together. Again, this is one of a very commonly used feature. HR would use it to just promote the appreciation, the word of appreciation, and also see like what's trending in the company, team building, leadership, one team, all of that. And then the help feature is just to add the policies and procedures around the rewards and recognition program in your organization. So all of those details could be added in the FAQs, how to give bonus, what's the, how does the allowance point work, and all of those things could be added here. So this is all about the product. So Alcor launched this product on March 6th, which was the Employee Appreciation Day. So I think that is one of the very significant days for all of us here. Basically, the day to recognize and appreciate your colleagues, co-workers, and everyone who's been working hard throughout the year for the organization. So this was launched very timely on that day, and I think it's a great addition to the existing ServiceNow suite of application. So if you have any questions, you could contact us on high5.support@alcortech.com. And with that, I think I can open up for the questions, any questions that you may have.
Thank you so much, Sushma, for such a great webinar. We do have a few questions here, but before I get to them, I would like to remind our participants to send us their question to the question box of the dashboard. Meanwhile, let's address some of the questions that we already have. So one of them, Sushma, is, can the points allowance and rewards redemption be configured to the company needs?
That's a great question. So yes, so what has been built is completely configurable. So it could be configured to the company needs. Say if there's a policy that we could put 200 or 300 points at the beginning of the month, and they could use it through the month to appreciate their colleagues and people in the organization. And again, the redemption is based on how the company would enable their employees to redeem those points or get rewards out of those points. So one of the great options is the integration to the e-commerce platform that allows them to redeem points, convert them into kind of tangible rewards. And even that can be like it could be worked out with the e-commerce engine on the basis of the points versus the rewards and all of that. So it's completely configurable on the platform.
Awesome. This is really good to know. Thank you so much for addressing this question, and let's move on to the next one we have. Which version of ServiceNow is High5 built on, and would it be compatible with the future releases of ServiceNow?
All right. So this product has been built on the latest version of New York, so New York has, as many of you must be knowing, it has a lot of great features, including the mobile app. So this is built on New York, and any like future versions would also be supported as part of the product support. And the basic version would be also compatible with the lower versions. However, like a few of the features for which we've leveraged the New York version, which is like one of them being the mobile app, as I mentioned, would work on the current version. So as of today, it's completely up to date with the latest version that's running on ServiceNow.
Very nice, thank you. And then one more question we have here. If we don't have ServiceNow HR delivery subscription, can we still install products like High5 and Talent Run?
All right. Again, that's a great question. Yes, so High5, Talent Run, most of the Alcor product suite, they are built on the platform licenses, which means they do not need the HR service delivery subscription. Anyone who has the platform licenses could, download and install the High5 and Talent Run product. So it works very well with the existing licenses.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, this is great to know. So far, these are the only questions we have for today. Thank you so much, Sushma, once again for this wonderful webinar. I would like to remind our participants that the recording of today's webinar will be available on our website, www.alcortech.com, and we will also send you a link to the recording by an email. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining, and we look forward to seeing you at our next webinars. Thank you again, Sushma. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Bye, all.